Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Galaxy Buds 2. So I bought this on eBay for around $100. So the original price for this, if you buy it from the official Samsung website or store, is 219 Australian dollars or 149 US dollars. So, but I picked this up on eBay for over half the price, which is a really great deal. So I just ordered this last week and just today it arrived in the mail. So before we unbox in this video, let's just take a look around the box. So we have Galaxy Buds 2 with the Galaxy Buds with the earbuds, Samsung. On the side it says Galaxy Buds 2, nothing on the top, nothing on this side. And on the back it just gives you some main information about the Galaxy Buds 2. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, unfortunately, my camera battery just died. So as you can see, I've already cut the tape as the camera battery died. But let's just pretend that I cut the tape. So we're now going to open it. Alright, so inside we have some information here, so let's go ahead and open this part. Okay, so in here we have quick start guide and warranty card. Here we have the Galaxy Buds 2, and in this box here, let's take a quick look. We have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable along with different size E-tips to swap out. And that's all in the box. So here are the Galaxy Buds 2. As you can see, I have the white color version. This is also available in graphite, olive and lavender colors. You can see the design of the case is very similar to the Galaxy Buds Live and the Galaxy Buds Pro. As you can see, with the previous Galaxy Buds generation, it was a pill-shaped design. Now, with the Galaxy Buds 2, it's now been changed to much more of a boxy design. So it feels a lot more smaller and obviously easy to carry around. As you can see, let's take a little tour around the Galaxy Buds 2. So on the front we have the Samsung logo. You can see the design of the Galaxy Buds has a glossy finish. I think depending on the color you get will depend on the finish. I'm not really sure with the other finishes of the other colors. I think one or two other colors have a matte finish. I'm not too sure. But this color here, if you get the white color version, this will have a glossy finish. So as you can see, like I said, we have this boxy shaped design, and between the lid and the base of the Galaxy Buds we have this little gap, so you can open it easily from any area. So it doesn't have to be from exactly the front area. You can also open it from the side, or you can use two fingers to open and close it. Here we have an LED light to tell you the status charge of the case. So if it's green, that means it's fully charged. If it's amber, that means it's there's half battery left, and if it's red, that means it needs to be charged or there's low battery. So as you can see, this is the design, and taking a look at the back, here is the hinge, and here we have a USB Type-C port to charge the Galaxy Buds. And on the bottom we just have some FCC and other information for the Galaxy Buds. This also features wireless charging, so doesn't always have to be USB-C to charge. You don't always need to charge it via USB-C. You can also charge it if you have a wireless charger. It will work with any wireless charger. Also work with the Galaxy with your Galaxy phones if your Galaxy phone has share wireless charging. So let's go ahead and open it. And here is the inside the Galaxy Buds. So as you can see, the inside has a matte finish to it, and it's very reminiscent of the Galaxy Buds Pro. And also a little bit of the Galaxy Buds Live in terms of the design and the interior. So we have that little bump here. I'm guessing, I'm not really sure why, maybe if there's more like things that need to be that needs to have more space in there. I'm not really too sure. As you can see, here are the little holes. So this is where the Galaxy Buds, so it can sit basically flush when it's closed. We have this rubber little strip here to prevent the Galaxy Buds from being scratched when opening and closing. Sound by AKG. And here we have a LED light. So this tells us the charge status for the Galaxy Buds, the earbuds themselves. And we're just going to take these out so I can show you the inside. So here is the inside. As you can see, we have these golden contact pins, which they line up with the Galaxy Buds, as you can see there. And they magnetically go in just like so. So you don't have to force them in a certain position, or you don't have to manually position them in a certain way to ensure that they are they charge. You kind of just slip in there, and then they'll fall into place just like that. So now I'm going to show you a close-up view of the Galaxy Buds themselves. As you can see, here is the left and right Galaxy Buds. In terms of the finish and the color, it basically matches the case. So it's a white glossy finish. So here we have the microphones. So there's two microphones on the outside. And inside we have L for left. We have a little sensor to detect whether the earphones are in your ear or not. We have two golden contact pins to charge the earbuds. And I believe in here is also a microphone. And here is the earpiece gel. So this kind of just sits in your ear. So that's the left, and here is the right. So basically the same thing, just opposite. So as you can see, a big change with these earbuds from the Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus is they no longer have the wing ear tip. So they share a very similar design with the Galaxy Buds Pro in terms of that. Basically, this ear gel piece is pretty much the only way that will help stay in your ear. So usually with the Galaxy Buds, you would have the ear gel piece and also the wingtip to make sure that it's secure in place. But now this time around, they pretty much got rid of the wingtip. So basically, in order for it to be able to stay, it comes from the actual earpiece themselves. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up the Galaxy Buds. It's very, very easy. All you have to do is open the case. And right now it is in searching mode. So you got to download the Galaxy Wearable app on your Android device. This unfortunately does not work on iOS. So if you have an Android device like Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Xiaomi, all those Android phones, download the Galaxy Wearable app in the Google Play Store or on the Galaxy App Store. Once you're in it, all you got to do is add new device. And now it's going to search for the Galaxy Buds 2, which it has right here. I'm going to hit pair. And that's it. Usually, I've already done the setup process before, but usually it will download like some software. But once it does all that, then you pretty much set your Galaxy Buds are ready to go. Now I'm just going to do a really quick walkthrough of the actual software. So as you can see, we have your noise control, so you can set it to off or have active noise cancelling on, which will eliminate all the background noise. Or you can have ambient sound on, so you can listen to your surrounding while you're listening to the earbuds. Here we have touch control, so if we tap into that, we've got a bunch of tap controls. So you can tap to play pause, double tap to play next track, triple tap to play previous track. And in here you can there's touch and hold controls. So you can customize your touch and hold controls for left and right earbuds, which is pretty neat. We also got call control, so you can double tap to answer or end call, and touch and hold to decline a call. We go into earbud settings, so we've got a whole bunch of settings for your earbuds. So equalizer, you can change your equalizer settings. I'll just leave it as normal. You can have read notifications out loud, so Bixby or Google Assistant will read you notifications while you have the earbuds in. We got Bixby voice wake up, so you can say hi Bixby while you're wearing the earbuds, which you did. Seamless earbud connection, so basically very similar to the Apple one, where if you have more than one Samsung device, instead of having to, you can basically, you don't have to disconnect the Bluetooth from this device and then go to your other device and then connect it. It basically has that seamless transition where if you're using another device, you don't have to basically disconnect your Bluetooth device with the earbuds. In-ear detection, play calls through earbuds while they're in your ears and through your phone speaker when they're not. 360 audio, just immersive vivid sounds. I don't really use it, so I leave it. I just don't use that at all. Earbud fit test, using ambient sound during calls. We got labs feature, so these are like experiment features. Double tap the earbud edge, which is basically here, and also gaming mode, which reduces latency but also drains a lot of battery. We got the reset option and accessibility option as well. We got find my earbuds, so if you lose your earbuds, you can use that feature to locate your earbuds, and also tips and user manual. So now the test is, how do they sound? In my opinion, they sound basically very similar to Galaxy Buds. Rich, punchy bass. It's crystal clear in terms of music and listening. Obviously, I'm not really a type of person when it comes to audio. I'm not an expert in those kinds of things, but I really do think they are really good earbuds. Basically, if you have the Galaxy Buds and if you're thinking of upgrading, these are really good upgrades. Maybe the one feature that you might miss the most is the wing ear tips. They did really help me stay. For me, with the Galaxy Buds, they did help me. They did help in terms of having the wing tips inside your ear to have it more stable. But I was actually looking online, and with the Galaxy Buds Pro, you could pretty much get them for $40 more, and you basically have the best Galaxy earbuds in terms of sound quality and functionality as well. But if you're looking for just a pair of Galaxy Buds, you're looking to upgrade from your old Galaxy Buds, or you just want something relatively, I guess, cheap, but also at the same time nothing too expensive, the Galaxy Buds 2 are a really good upgrade. But in my opinion, I would go ahead and upgrade, spend that extra money, upgrade to the Galaxy Buds Pro. Especially, they are pretty cheap now, and I've seen that some of them are cheaper than the Galaxy Buds 2, which is not surprising. So just to finish this video off, I'm going to be comparing all the Galaxy Buds that Samsung has released. So just to refresh your mind, I'm going to list all the Galaxy Buds. So we have the original Galaxy Buds, the Galaxy Buds Plus, the Galaxy Buds Live, the Galaxy Buds Pro, and the Galaxy Buds 2. As you can see, the design has basically, the shape has changed within the 1 year. So with the Galaxy Buds and Buds Plus, we had the pill shape design. And then starting with the Galaxy Buds Live, the shape went from a pill shape design to more of a boxy rectangular prism design. In my opinion, I think the rectangular prism design or this boxy design is a lot better. It feels much smaller, easy to open and close, and just overall a much better quality. In terms of the hinge mechanism, the first generation Galaxy Buds, it felt a bit loose as you were opening and closing the case. So you would have to open it all the way fully in order for the lid to stay as it is. But otherwise, if you opened it like this, if you didn't open it fully, then it would kind of flop around. So it didn't have that satisfying seamless transition when you open and close the lid. But they fixed it with the second generation, the Galaxy Buds Plus. It feels a lot more smoother. It doesn't have that locking mechanism when you open it all the way fully out, which is great. And then with the Galaxy Buds Live, I feel like this is probably the Galaxy Buds Live Pro and 2. I feel like the hinge mechanism is probably the smoothest feeling, which is great. So it doesn't feel like it doesn't feel cheap, or it doesn't feel as unsatisfying as the other ones. So this is probably the best hinge mechanism. So now I'm just going to quickly open up all the Galaxy Buds so you can see the insides. So that's the first generation, second, Live, Pro, and Buds 2. As you can see, the inside with the original Galaxy Buds, the inside was more of a blue color. It has a blue inside filling. The second generation, it is completely white. Galaxy Buds Live, the inside is more of a very, very light gray color. Galaxy Buds Pro, this is more of a light blue color, very, very light blue / gray color, I would say. And the Galaxy Buds 2 is more of a white color. So with the Galaxy Buds Live, Pro, and the Galaxy Buds 2, the finish is a matte finish. The Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus just has a, I guess, standard plastic finish to it. And just a quick look at all the Galaxy Buds, the actual earbuds themselves. As you can see, it's going to be really hard showcasing all of them. So I'm just going to show it from this angle here. So this is the best I can do. But with the Galaxy Buds and Buds Plus, the design is very similar. It has the earpiece gels along with the sensors and the wingtip to help it stay input into your ear. And then this completely changed with the Galaxy Buds Live. So this is more of a bean shaped. Still fits in your ear pretty, I'm not going to say comfortably, but it does fit in your ear, not as comfortably as the Galaxy Buds. But it works well. In terms, probably out of all of these Galaxy Buds, this is probably the quietest, I would say. And then they switched to design back to similar to the original Galaxy Buds, but this time it doesn't have the wingtips. And obviously, because this is the Pro version, it has more functionality, more microphones and whatnots inside. And then with the Galaxy Buds 2, same thing. They kind of took the design from the Galaxy Buds Pro, so it doesn't have the wingtip, but obviously reduced back some of the features like waterproofing and microphone. So that's just about it. That's just an unboxing and quick overview, both hardware and software features of the Galaxy Buds 2. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.